The glory of the Sabbath. Good morning, family. See, Ellen White once described a powerful vision where she said that the Sabbath was glorious, surrounded by a halo of light. But she also said something very humbling. We only understand a little of its true importance. Think about that. Many of us see the Sabbath as simply a day of rest, a day we come to church, we sing hymns, and spend time with family. And that is beautiful. But heaven sees the Sabbath as something much bigger. See, the Sabbath was written with the finger of God in the tables of stone. And in the vision, she saw that among the commandments, the fourth commandment shone above them all, because it was set apart to honor God's holy name. The question is why? The reason why is because the Sabbath reminds us of three powerful truths. First, God is our creator. Second, God is our redeemer. And third, God is preparing a people for eternity. See, the Sabbath is not just about resting from work. It is about reconnecting with our Creator. Ellen White said, "There is coming a day when the latter rain, the refreshing from the presence of the Lord, will fall. And then we will understand the Sabbath in a way we never have before." Imagine that moment. The gates of the New Jerusalem opens. Jesus himself welcomes his people, and those who kept the commandments of God enter the city. See, in that day, the Sabbath will shine even brighter, not just as a commandment, but as a sign of loyalty, love, and relationship with God. So the question today is simple. Do we see the Sabbath as just another day, or as a glorious gift from heaven? Because the Sabbath is more than a command. It is an invitation to walk with God, now and for eternity. God bless.